Time is a fundamental concept used to describe the progression of events, from the past, through the present, and into the future. It is a way to measure the duration between events and to organize them in a sequence. We perceive time through changes around us, such as the movement of celestial bodies like the sun and moon, physical processes like aging, and societal structures like clocks and calendars. Philosophically and scientifically, time has been debated in various ways. Newtonian time is absolute and flows uniformly, independent of any external factors. It's a background in which events occur. Relativistic time, according to Einstein's theory of relativity, is more flexible. Time can dilate, stretch, or shrink, depending on an object's velocity and gravitational field. This means time can move differently for observers in different frames of reference. Subjective time refers to how humans experience time. It can feel fast or slow depending on circumstances, like being immersed in an activity versus waiting for something. At its core, time is a measurement tool, but it also carries deep philosophical and scientific implications, particularly when we consider questions of its flow, its relationship to space, and whether it truly exists as we experience it.